We've been given this question to solve for the value of A, B, and then C. Now, I part, that is to find for the value of A. Now, A and the adjacent 56 are angles that are formed on a straight line. And we know from the properties of angles that are formed on a straight line that they sum up to 180 degrees. So A plus 56 equals 180. This implies that A equals 180 minus 56 and A equals 124 degrees. So that is the value of A. Now we are to find for the value of B, II. Now, this indicates that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. And so the angle here is the same as the angle that is formed here. And so 56 is also here. And we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And so 56 plus 56 plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now when you add 56 plus 56, you get 112 plus B, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now B equals 180 minus 112, and B is equal to 68 degrees. Now, the third part of the question says that you have to find for the value of C. Now we learned that the sum of two interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle of a triangle. And so in this case, 56 plus B is equal to the exterior angle, that is C plus 19. We know B. So 56 plus B, which is 68, equals C. Now this is going to be 56 plus 68 minus 19 equals C. And that is going to give us 124 minus what? 19 equals C. And when you subtract 19 from 124, you get C to be 105 degrees. Another way to solve this is that we know that this is a straight line and we have adjacent angles formed on it. And so 56 plus C plus 19 equals 180 degrees. And so C equals 180 minus 19 minus 56. And if you calculate it well, you're going to end up getting 105 degrees, just as this one. The second question is that we are to find the angle RST. Angle RST. So it means this portion. We learned from the properties of parallel angles that when you have a triangle formed like this, then this angle here is the same as this angle here. And then this angle here is the same as this angle here. So this angle formed here is the same as this angle here. So we just state angle RTS. Hope you understand. Angle RTS, this angle formed here, is equal to angle RQP. RQP. RQP, the angle formed here. You can also say angle TQP, but I used the entire line, angle RQP. Now, if you state this in an exam, you are going to be given method 1. And so it is very necessary you always state. Now, if you know this angle and you also know this angle, then we can find this because SRT is another triangle. And the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, just like we have been seeing. So angle RST plus 80 plus 70 equals 180 degrees. And so 80 plus 70, which is what? 150. So let me write 150 plus angle RST equals 180. So now we have angle RST to be equal to 180 minus 150. and this equals 30 degrees. And so we have found this angle to be 30 degrees. The next question says that we are to find the value of this x. Now we're going to do something very simple here. Anytime you are given parallel lines and you cannot get the complete understanding easily, you just try to extend the line and solve for whatever you know. And so we can extend the parallel lines. If we extend this parallel line and we extend this line, you realize that, let's see, this is point H. You realize that PTH becomes a triangle, and so we can find this angle here, and so we can see that is angle what? PHT. PHT, this angle, plus 70 plus 30 equals 180, because they are the interior angles of the triangle PTH. And so 100 plus the angle PHT equals 180. When we subtract 100 from 180, we get angle PHT to be equal to what? 80 degrees. And so this angle here is now 80. Now, this is what is happening. We have something like this, and we have 80 here, and we have x here. Now we learned that these 80 here alternate with the angle that is formed here, right? Hope you are getting it. So we can state that angle HRX, this angle is equal to angle PHT. Hope you understand what I'm saying. PHT, the angle formed here, PHT, this angle is the same as the angle formed here, HRX. So this is 80. Now we are having 80 here, and this is a straight line, and so angles formed on a straight line sum up to what? 180 degrees. So this you need to write 80 degrees so that the examiner will know that that angle is specifically 80. So now, knowing this to be 80, 80 plus x should be up to 180 degrees. So 80 plus x equals 180 degrees. Now x equals 180 minus 80. X equals 100 degrees. So guys, it's very simple to find this, isn't it? Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video. Bye.